Hi there. In my previous video, I talked about upgrading my table saw, and I was using a Ryobi table saw, which I use for cutting 2x4s and 2x6s for small construction I had to do. At this point, I got myself another table saw, and I will show you what kind I got. So this is the Delta 36725T2. It's the contract saw. It's got a cast iron uh, top. I'm going to be putting it together. I'm not going to show you because there's like a million videos on YouTube how to put it together, and I'm not going to bother you with it. Once it's done, I'll obviously show you how it looks. And there she is, the Delta table saw. Surprisingly, everything is basically right out of the box, straight, flat. It was easy to put together. I hear a lot of people talk about these wings here that they're flimsy, but this must be because this is solid. This doesn't flex at all. This is because I went to a friend of mine who has one, and it's an older version, and the wings are thinner. This is like an eighth of an inch thick. This is really thick. This doesn't flex at all. This is solid. Uh, he didn't have the high and low fence part, so that's, I'm guessing, new, or maybe I'm just wrong. The only thing I have a problem with, and I tried to see if I can show you, there's a little bolt right there. I need to flip that because the bottom of the bolt is sitting on the floor, so the table, I can't level the table out. So that's basically the only thing, but for the rest, the noise is hardly any problem compared with that. That was like a 747 taking off, and this is just incredible. Like I said, it is an upgrade. It's not a Harvey, it's not a SawStop, Laguna, or Powermatic, because it ain't worth $4,000 to me. It's a nice saw, and I definitely, because this is my workbench, you can see I've been abusing it, but there's also a slight height difference, so I need to come up. I'm 6'3", so this workbench is 34 inches. However, this is 37. So I need to make a workbench outfit table that's level with the table saw. Now, this came with the table saw, and this is pretty good. No flex at all. I did adjust on the side here. There's little screws, so there's no movement. I tried it out already. It's pretty accurate. It's hard to see with this light. I have to change it, but 0 is spot on. 45 is correct both ways. It's amazing. And this came with the saw. it's pretty good. This fence out of the box, I have to get a gauge in order to see if it's perfect, but I made a cut, I measured it, and it looks pretty good. However, I'm still gonna get one of those gauges so I can make sure everything is perfect.